Are you looking forward to replace audio in Instagram posts? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily replace it. Well, it's a new feature that has just been updated on Instagram, so make sure that your application is up to date. Once updated, head over to your application. Make sure you are logged in into your specific account. Once you are logged in, move into your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're in this page, scroll down and move into your feed. Simply move into any of the posts that you have posted with the music and you want to replace it. Let's say this is one of the posts I want to replace it with any of the other music. All you gotta do is click on this icon. Tap on this edit option right over here. And then you have to click on the music that you have added before. Now from here, choose the specific music that you want to replace with. You can search it in the search bar as well. Once you've selected the specific music, click on this icon. Now choose the part of the music that you want to add and click on Done. Now again you have to click on Done. And there you can see that the music has been replaced with another music. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.